crazy day, hit subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on notifications.
What do you think about this spot?
This looks pretty good.
Yeah. The mountain over here. I think the river's just right over here. So we can get set up and then do some fishing, eat some lunch. You like it?
Yeah. All right, we just finished setting up camp here. We have a nice place by the river. So here's the truck. American Scotty's in there making tuna melt.
We're making some tuna melts on the grill.
And we got the bug net area, BB gun, and a fire for making some s'mores tonight. So yeah, this is our area. Nice place right by the river. So we're gonna go do some target practice. It's B. I haven't done this a long time. I don't know how good I'm gonna be. I haven't used one of these in so long. Alright, we are getting ready to go fishing. Setting up his fishing rod. I got mine ready. And we're gonna go down to the stream and try to fish.
Catch some fish.
You can't forget the CC, the cool Crocs.
All right, so they're biting, and we're not really set up. Lucas doesn't have full gear, not the right shoes. So what we're gonna do today is just practice his skills. And like I told him is, don't get frustrated because it's really hard, and I'm still not good at it. But practice will make perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna do the salmon rod over here, and Lucas is gonna practice with butter stick. All right.
We caught some fish and now we're heading back. Alright, so we're gonna have some s'mores later, and I had to whittle my own stick. So yeah, we got a fire here, got some s'mores stuff. See you guys at the night hike. Alright, we're at the night hike now, so let's go. don't have to go far, but still want to take a little walk. Down there. I mean, I can. My heart is beating. He deserves a like and subscribe for this. Going out here. Alright, well, guess we'll see you in the morning.
Oh, hey, good morning. Well, we made it. It's about 6:50. We're gonna get cleaned up here and make some food. Yo, we got the hash browns cooking. Bacon's done. It's over here warming up. Yeah, so you slept pretty good, huh?
Yeah, I did not think I'd sleep that good.
Yeah, I passed out too. And the stars were just amazing.
Yeah, I've never seen really stars like that.
And I can't believe you wanted to go on the night hike, man. That was a little freaky.
Yeah.
I was scared. You know? I was like, wow.
It was so fun.
Yeah, it was.
Alright, we're going fishing right now. I didn't know that we were gonna do this, but yeah, we are one more time.
We kind of have to because the river's right there, and we caught a lot of fish yesterday. So.
Yeah, it's no point in not going again.
Back on the river. All right, we're ready to see the other side.
See if he can catch it.
I got it.
You got one? You got one? All right.
Keep pulling it in. You're doing good. Get it here. Got it. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's a good one, dude.
We are finishing up fishing. A bunch of fish actually, they are fighting today.
Yeah.
But I think this was small. My feet are frozen. His feet are frozen.
Yeah.
We are done.
We're heading back to camp and gonna dry off and go explore.
Alright, we're heading up to see to a lookout point, and we are hoping that the gate is open. It might be closed if we don't know. So we're just hoping that it is open. Stupid gate.
Stupid gate. Well, we're not able to see our view today because this gate is here for no reason.
It's pointless.
It's very pointless. This is our land. It's our land. So, and it's your land. And they put gates for no reason. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to
Subscribe and like.
peace.